If you listen really carefully, you can hear the cuckoo. Hello? No, come on. Come on out there. Keep walking. Good girl. I'm just watching this tower. It's not particularly tall at all. Updraft's going up here, but the base has motion. Stuff from the right's going right to left, and a little bit of motion from left to right as if they're meeting here. There's strong low level shear today, and maybe there's some slight convergence here. It's hardly a breath of wind. I'm just wondering, could there be a chance of a funnel? Although I'm not seeing any rising motion in any of the scud. very weak funnels here. One on the right, even before I pressed record there, looked a little bit like a funnel. Still does. Scud on the left, but that one on the right looked like it was rotating. Again, that's under that tower I was looking at earlier. Actually, that area is rotating. It's just rotating extremely slowly. There's no real fast dynamic movement here. This is very casual. So I'm keeping an eye on these scud suckers here at the back in case they tighten up into something else, into another vortex, maybe a better funnel, if that was a funnel. It looked like one for a brief second or two. Precip's now formed on the other side there, so that updraft is now producing precip. This is the back end of it. Now facing west, more cumulus coming in, small towers, bit of a gust front there on the left side. This is a really scenic area out here in Beaghmore, this boardwalk. I've got that cool tree here, for example. We've a new base here, zoom out a bit. New base coming in. Towers aren't big though, a bit warm and soft, but the bases are trying. It's getting undercut with this cool air from behind me now, so I don't know if that will be a good thing or a bad thing. To stir up some little vortices. There's precip breaking out there now. Hear the cuckoo. A better updraft base there away in the distance. Yeah, there's plenty of cumulus coming up here in the sunny spells. I just wish they were a bit taller, but that is a nice base away in the distance there. God, I would love to see a really good funnel cloud. Sometimes in these kind of days, these weak setups, you get them in this country. There is strong low level shear today, but the tops are lacking a bit of height, and we need some proper surface conversions and a slacker flow. Having said that, away from these showers, the wind is extremely light, dead calm at times. Shower now breaking out here. It's higher than that one's actually a lot taller than anything else I've seen today. It's such a lovely scene that just follows. It's not goes back and see a storm or anything. I just love watching convection and cumulus clouds, especially when it's on a daily guest in a scenic location. It's lovely out here. I'm going to get hit by this precip soon, light precip from this other convection. Yeah, big showers broke out down that line of convection. Imagine getting a CG bolt of lightning coming down through that core with a cow in the frame. That'd be pretty cool. That's 3 p.m. That was actually quite quite pretty looking, cute little cell there. That was the one I left at Beaghmore and followed me up the road. Developed some nice towers, and I tried his best to go up there. Very nice, compact precipitation core, dark base, tiny bit of structure on it. Nice. Just a short, but it's actually really, really nice. I enjoyed that very much. The core's just past the left of me here now with some gusty ones. Actually, the van door slammed into my hip here whenever I was packing the drone away. But anyway, I enjoyed that. That was just a bit of fun, a bit of casual fun today. Hard to beat. I love the summertime. Watching convection, cumulus clouds going up in the sunshine in the countryside, just hard to beat. Surrounded by nature and the birds, and buzzards. Today it was a cuckoo. Hard to beat. Anyway, this is just a fun day out to enjoy myself. Well, I calm down. Okay, I think I'm going to head back home now. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, that Cumulus is quite nice there. Well, it's on the way back. I'll see what happens. Actually, some really nice towers are going up here. Look to be away on the other side of Cookstown. Probably eventually going to head to the lock area, but those are quite nice, quite robust looking. I'm trying to get back to the house here, and then I'll keep an eye on them from there with the drone or the back, see if there's any funnels. I'm not going to catch up on them today. And there's the precip.